know what, Junior? I just might do the dishes tonight. Howdy, folks. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. This week, I'm super excited about what I made. They're called Millionaire Brownies. At first I thought, why do they call them Millionaire Brownies? But then I made them and, well, I'll tell you what. Follow me along in this video. I'll show you. My God, what did you eat? Okay, let's start with 1 stick of butter, 3 ounces of dark chocolate we're going to add to that bowl. Melt that down, mix it up, put that mixture into the mixing bowl. Add 2 eggs to the mixing bowl, and whisk that together. 1 cup of sugar. We're going to sift 1/2 a cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that all together. And now we're going to pour this into the brownie tin. Move that all off. Into the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. There you go, folks, halfway done. I'm going to put the brownies into the refrigerator, let them cool off. Now we'll make the caramel topping. Another stick of butter, melt that down. One can of sweetened condensed milk, add that to the mixture. Stir that. 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Mix that up. 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a little bit of salt. Mix that all together. We're going to keep on cooking this over very low heat until we reach a temperature of 225 degrees. Once the temperature is 225 degrees, we're going to pour that over top of the brownies. Okay, here we go. Time to pour it over top of the brownies. Move that off. Another 3 ounces of melted dark chocolate. We're going to add that on across the top and swirl that in. Into the refrigerator and let that cool for about 4 to 6 hours. Out from the refrigerator, take it out of the pan. Separate the parchment paper. There you go, folks. Looking good. Time to slice it up, dice it up, and serve it out, folks. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. Can't wait to try one. Oh, yeah. Mmm. Yeah, now I know why they call them Millionaire Brownies. These things are super rich. What do you think, Mabel? Hey, you know what, Junior? I just might do the dishes tonight. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button, subscribe, share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.